tried to screen record on your iPhone, but it's not working? Don't worry, we've got your back. In this 2-minute video, we'll walk you through the most common fixes to get your iPhone screen recording feature up and running again. Plus, we'll show you how to edit your recordings with the powerful Edimakor software. The first thing to check is whether you've enabled the screen recording permission. Go to your iPhone settings app, then tap on Control Center. Make sure the screen recording toggle is turned on. If the screen recording feature still isn't working, it could be due to a software bug. Try updating your iPhone to the latest iOS version. Go to Settings General Software Update and check for any available updates. If there is one, download and install it. This should resolve any underlying issues and get your screen recording working again.
Now that you've got your iPhone screen recording working, you may want to edit the footage. That's where Edimakor comes in handy. Open your recorded video in Edimakor and explore the powerful editing tools. You can trim and split clips, rearrange the timeline, add filters and effects, and even insert graphics or text. Edimakor makes it easy to transform your raw screen recordings into professional-looking videos. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and your iPhone screen recording feature should start working again. Remember, you can always use Edimakor to edit and enhance your screen recordings. Thanks for watching.